In this short video presentation, I'm going to show you how to display categorical or nominal level data in a bar graph or pie chart. We can start by loading in some data. We can easily do that from the Data tab. Click Load, then from File. I'll bring out some data that I use in my course. This is data from a study of mental health and women in inner-city Philadelphia. So once we load the data, and you'll see that there's several categories of variables that we have here. We have a poverty status variable, mental health scores, and work status. Here in mental health, we have a quantifiable variable, mental health, which is scored from 0 to 70. And you see next to it is a categorical or nominal level variable, just yes or no based upon work status. We also have marital status, which is categorized as married, never married, divorced, etc. Again, this is nominal level data, categorical data that we can easily graph in StatCrunch by just simply going to the Graph tab here. And instead of a histogram, we're going to click on bar plot. With data, since we have the individual data, we're not going to do a histogram here as we have categorical level data. So, we pick our column, marital status in this case, in constructing our bar graph. We can give the graph some labels. Along the x-axis is going to be our category. So, this will be marital status. Our y-axis label, we can just call frequency. We can even give the graph a title. Then we just click Compute, and StatCrunch will create the graph. So, notice we have, unlike with a histogram, we have spaces and in between our bars, as it's really not contiguous. Right? We can't be both divorced and married. You're either one or the other. So, you're falling into these categories or separated bars, and thus we have a bar plot. Another way we can display categorical data is in a pie chart. That is also easily done in StatCrunch just by clicking again on the Graph tab. And now we pick Pie Chart, with data, then we click on our variable. Here we can put in counts, or probably the best thing is to do is % of total. And, click Compute, and automatically we have a pie chart. And, we can even go ahead and give our pie chart a name. Again, we're going to click on that Graph tab, then Pie Chart, then with data. Then click on or select the variable, then % of total, then type in our title. Then click Compute, and we have our pie chart. A very quick way to get StatCrunch to create a bar plot or pie chart to display your categorical or nominal level data.